Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. If you've ever wanted to record hands-free 4K video from a true first-person perspective, today's device is something you've got to see. Meet the ORDRO EP8 Combo 4K head-mounted video camera, the ultimate wearable camcorder built for vloggers, content creators, and adventurers who want to shoot the world exactly as they see it. Let's start with what makes the EP8 stand out. It's a true Ultra HD 4K camera that captures at 60 fps, delivering incredibly crisp, smooth footage whether you're biking, hiking, cooking, or documenting a creative process. This isn't your average wearable cam. It features a Sony 13MP sensor and autofocus, which means dynamic scenes stay sharp even when you're on the move. And speaking of movement, the built-in 2-axis gimbal stabilizer helps eliminate jitter and shake, giving you professional-looking results with smooth pans and minimal blur. Whether you're walking, riding, or just talking hands-free, this thing keeps your video steady and usable right out of the camera. The EP8 sits comfortably over your ear and wraps around your head with an adjustable strap, making it extremely lightweight and wearable for extended use. It's a POV camera, but unlike action cams that require a helmet mount or chest rig, this one's designed to be as low profile and natural as possible. You also get built-in Wi-Fi, so you can control it via the companion app or use the included remote control for hands-free start-stop recording. The camera comes with a 64GB microSD card out of the box, a nice bonus to get you up and running fast. The rechargeable battery offers up to 100 minutes of 4K recording time, and the USB-C fast charging means you're never out of commission for long. Whether you're streaming, filming YouTube videos, or capturing outdoor adventures, the ORDRO EP8 Combo gives you a cinematic, immersive POV without sacrificing comfort or control. Check it out through the Amazon link below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Gadgetverse for more cutting-edge gear reviews every single day.